welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to be visiting Sesame Street. Oh, and the kittens are quite curious. It's called Round the Neighborhood, and we're going to have fun with these little character balls. We have Oscar, Big Bird, and who's the red character? Elmo. There's a surprise in every window. Let's open it up. Oh, and Poe is already trying to open it up. All right, we've opened up our new Sesame Street toy, and I have our little ball figures. Here is Oscar the Grouch. Where does Oscar go? He goes in his trash can. And there's a green button here. Let's see what it does. Oh, Oscar jumps up and down. And Big Bird looks like a golf ball. These are actually quite heavy, almost the same weight as a golf ball. Where does Big Bird go? Big Bird goes to his nest, and Big Bird is yellow, and so is this dial that spins the nest. Should we give Big Bird a ride? Hop on in. Spin. Whoa! Oscar the Grouch is what color? Green, just like its green button. Now, where does Elmo go? Do you see the red button? Here it is. It's beside Big Bird's nest. What do you think this red button does? It's going to release Elmo down the slide. So let's put Elmo down the chute and watch him roll. Did you see something, Tiny fans, when Elmo went down the slide? Ooh, remember there was a surprise in every window? It was Slimy the worm. Let's have another look. Watch, because it happens fast. Did you see Slimy? Oh, Elmo, we lost you. Let's check out what the kittens are up to. They are playing with each other. Poe is on this side, and Lala is on the other side of the door. Oh, it looks like Lala came to the other side of the door, and now they're wrestling. Oh, they're biting and kicking, but they're just being playful. Oh, oh my! Poe just flipped. Oh, somebody's hitting their head against the door. Ouch! Silly kittens. Now we still have some surprises left in these windows when they go down the blue slide. There's a big yellow button in the shape of a rectangle. Let's give it a push. Take a spin in Big Bird's nest. So they go down the blue slide, past the windows, down that hole, and into Big Bird's nest. That's what Elmo's talking about. Let's get going. Here goes Big Bird, Elmo, and Oscar. Oh, they're stuck. Maybe we need to push the yellow button to release them. Oh, that happened so quickly. We missed the surprises in the windows. All right, this time we're going to watch as Elmo goes down. I'll push the button to release him. Ready? Okay, it's Oscar's turn. Oh, Oscar, you're not quite in the nest. He's stuck. There we go. Did you see the surprises? Let's see if I can push. The goldfish jumps out of the bowl. And let's see if I can get my finger in. The puppy dog jumps up. Now let's give everyone a ride in the nest.
Watch out for Elmo's friends rolling around.
And this is good. It gets all of their energy out. They're just so fun to watch. Oh, Lala is getting Poe's mouth. Poe says, I've had enough. I'm just going to chew this box instead. Oh! And the kittens are starting to get a little bit tired. Oh, well, maybe not Poe, but Lala is starting to fall asleep. So thank you for joining us today. Oh, goodbye.